Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restrict group chat in Messenger. First, you have to open your Messenger application on your device. Then you have to long press on the group that you want to restrict. But in iOS device you can ignore instead of restrict a group chat or any other conversation. But in Android device you will find direct restriction option. Then you can restrict the group that you want by following this method. Just simply long press on that conversation and you will find that option. Now in Android you will find the direct restriction option, but in iOS you will find ignore option. When you click on ignore, you will find an ignore button to confirm that you want to ignore the chat. Click on ignore and you will find the account is now vanished from my chat. And that means it's now transferred to my ignore section. You will find in the ignore section that the messenger group is now appeared in this ignore section. That means I won't get any type of notification or any type of messages from that conversation. That's how we can restrict group chat in Messenger. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.